Isn't it strange how much of our lives now exists as data? From our shopping habits to our travel routes, and yes, even our financial transactions. And if you're using a platform like Bitwala to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the world of cryptocurrency, you've likely wondered, what happens to all that information? In today's digital landscape, data privacy isn't just a buzzword, it's a fundamental expectation. So, let's dive into how Bitwala, a platform based in Germany and operating under European data protection laws, handles your sensitive user data. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand that Bitwala is legally obligated to comply with GDPR, the General Data Protection Regulation. This robust framework sets a high standard for data protection and privacy for individuals within the European Union. This means Bitwala has a responsibility to be transparent about what data they collect, how they use it, and ensure it's protected. When you sign up for a Bitwala account, you're providing personal information such as your name, address, date of birth, and potentially identity verification documents. This data is essential for Bitwala to comply with regulatory requirements like KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, anti-money laundering, directives. These regulations are in place to prevent financial crime and ensure the security of the platform and its users. Beyond the initial onboarding process, Bitwala also collects data related to your transactions, such as the amounts, timestamps, and the involved parties. This transaction data is crucial for maintaining records, providing customer support, and further ensuring the security and integrity of the platform. Now, the critical question, how is this data used? Bitwala primarily uses your data to provide and improve its services. This includes facilitating cryptocurrency transactions, managing your bank account features, and ensuring the platform operates smoothly and securely. Your data also helps Bitwala personalize your experience, offer relevant support, and communicate important updates about the platform. Transparency is key under GDPR, and Bitwala's privacy policy outlines in detail the types of data collected, the purposes for processing it, and the legal basis for doing so. They are obligated to inform you about your rights regarding your data, including the right to access, rectify, erase, restrict processing, and object to the processing of your personal data. Security is another cornerstone of Bitwala's data handling practices. They employ various technical and organizational measures to protect your data from unauthorized access, loss, or misuse. This includes encryption, secure storage, and regular security audits. It's also important to note that Bitwala, like most regulated financial service providers, may be required to share certain data with regulatory authorities or law enforcement agencies under specific legal obligations. However, these requests are subject to strict legal processes. Furthermore, Bitwala emphasizes data minimization, meaning they strive to collect only the data that is necessary for the specified purposes. They also have policies regarding data retention, ensuring that data is not kept for longer than is necessary. While the intricacies of data handling can be complex, the core principles guiding Bitwala are rooted in legal compliance, transparency, and a commitment to protecting user privacy. Understanding these principles can provide greater confidence in using the platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.